Who wouldn't want to earn money by selling their photos online? Let's take a look at how and where you can start to sell stock photos. Choose a stock photo site from our list and start selling your photos there. Hopefully, the first part of this video has made it easier for you to decide which stock photo website to go with. But in case you're still struggling to make your choice, here's my recommendation. If you start with Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, that doesn't mean that you're going to be bound to using them to sell your photos for life. You'll always be able to transition to another platform or even transition to selling your photos on your own website. The key to successfully start selling your photos online is not to overcomplicate the process. 1. Create an account. This step is very straightforward. Just create your account and fill out your profile with all of the necessary and accurate information. To complete your profile and, in some cases, also the application, you need to submit to join the Stock Photography Network. 2. Start producing and sharing work that has the potential to be used by people. Obviously, it's important to keep an eye out on stock photography websites to see what it is that is more popular. One such example could be City Photography. And this is something that shouldn't be particularly difficult for you to capture. If you already live in a city and are able to take unique photos of buildings, selling photos online and making money from it is not that difficult. The easiest and most cost-effective option is to sell photos from your website, as it allows you to be in full control over your profits. But if you're looking for more exposure, you can start selling your photos on places like Adobe Stock, Alamy, Shutterstock, and other websites listed in this video.